So I came across these adorable ceramic pumpkins at Pottery Barn and Crate and Barrel, but $59 each? Yeah, no thanks. So I decided to do it myself. These are some ceramic pumpkins we've collected over the years. Some are from Walmart, some are from Dollar Tree, some are from my wedding 7 years ago. We've done so much to these poor little pumpkins. We tried painting them and then adding baking soda or even flour, which really did not work, you guys. It just did not stick to the pumpkins. The paint was peeling off, and so we thought this sheetrock plaster would work really well. It's also called joint compound. You can find it at Home Depot, at Lowe's. You can even find little containers at Walmart. And you just add paint to it, and any type of paint will work. Any color you want would work also. You can add creamy white, you can add gray to give it a cement look, you can add a terracotta color to make it look like pottery. You can do, so many things. You can be so creative with this technique. So you mix the joint compound and the paint, and you mix it really well. That way everything's mixed up, and it's going to be a thicker consistency. That way you get full coverage. And there is going to be clumps here and there, but don't worry about that. That's just going to add texture. So that's my mom to the right, and she is literally the OG of DIY crafting. When I was growing up, she would watch Martha Stewart, and she would make wreaths, home decor, ornaments. She did it all. I learned just about everything from her. So with this technique, it will last you more than a year. You can use this stuff on your walls, so that's how durable it is. We will be showing you how to DIY some different ornaments for Christmas, so I hope you subscribe so you can check that out. I'm hoping to post that maybe in November. So this is the joint compound we used, and this is the paint, but you can literally use any paint you have, any acrylic paint. Now with the paint strokes, you don't have to be perfect. You can, do a crosshatch, whatever you like. I honestly like to go with the grooves of the pumpkin, so I go up and down. So you see the consistency of the paint. It's not too thick, yet it's not runny. So you just want to play with it. If it's too thick, too firm, just add a little more paint. Just work with it. It doesn't have to be perfect. And you know what? We're never perfect the first time we try. We always got to make mistakes. So for the antiquing, I mixed up some water-based antique wax, which was a dark brown, and I mixed it up with a little bit of clear and the creamy white paint. I added a little more white just so it's a lighter brown, kind of a neutral beige. So I should mention that I am using just a regular paper towel. A brush will apply the glaze way too heavy. So just dab your paper towel in some paint and dab the excess off to the side of the plate. So just keep in mind to rub lightly, just be gentle with this part. And now for the big reveal. Look, they're so cute. And that's a wrap on today's DIY. I hope you felt inspired today and had a little fun with me. If you enjoyed this project, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. And if you're into this kind of thing, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Bye, friends.